Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the Modality APAC perspective. Hope everybody's not shivering too much through the Australian winter. I'm up here in Sydney this week where it's a little bit better than what it is in the hometown in Melbourne, a bit of 17, 18 degrees rather than the 11 or 12 that we've got down in Melbourne. But what I want to talk about this time around is around Cloud Voice and Microsoft and what they're bringing to market and what sort of options you've got available to you as you start to plan that deployment from what you've got today, which might be an Avaya or Cisco PABX. You might have some fax machines and contact center, that kind of thing. And you want to move to Microsoft 365 and the cloud voice services that are available within that suite in the cloud. So what there's available there in the Microsoft side of things in terms of enabling that in Microsoft Teams is direct routing. So what that means is you can take what you've got today, you've got some SIP trunks deployed around the country, around the region, you've got contact centers, multiple PABXs, this kind of thing, and you want to connect that into Microsoft 365 in Teams. So you can do that now directly from a voice gateway on premises directly into the cloud. And so what we've been doing within Modality Systems is we've been part of the TAP preview program with Microsoft. So we've been actively testing that out and ensuring it works properly with all the different integration scenarios and different PABXs that are out there in the market. And so that all the calls flow properly between the on-premises environment with the SIP trunk or ISDN, and it flows up into Microsoft Teams properly. So when you've got Microsoft Teams open and you're collaborating on documents within a team and in a channel, if you need to bring in somebody from the PSTN or you need to make a phone call, that all works seamlessly and utilizes the infrastructure you've got today. So you can sweat those assets a bit longer, leave those contracts in place. If you're not ready to move to another solution such as Telstra Calling for Office 365, because your criteria might not be completely aligned with what the benefits and value of TCO 365 is. So on that note, my second bit that I want to talk about this time around is the fact that pre-orders for Telstra Calling for Office 365 are now open. So that means if you're ready to go, you're ready to trial it out, you want to see how it works for your organization, you can come to Modality as a Telstra partner and submit a pre-order application form with us, which means that when Telstra Calling for Office 365 is generally available, which don't have a date on that just yet, but as soon as it is, you'll be at the front of the queue to start testing it out, get it enabled in your Office 365 tenant, and start using it in Microsoft Teams and in Skype for Business Online, and have a truly cloud-enabled phone system. So if you're interested in that, you can approach us through the website, through Twitter, leave a comment below in this YouTube video or any of the other social updates and channels that you've got out there. But that's all for this time around. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and we'll see you again next time.